the next thing we want to be looking at is how to set up our own page in Zoho CRM. So when you come in into your Zoho CRM account, you are going to see that this is going to be your own page. So the best thing about Zoho CRM is that you can be able to customize this home page however you want. So instead of what Zoho CRM has done already, you can delete some widgets, you can remove some of the things you don't want, and you can add in the things you want. So the goal here is to make the home page a space that work for you and is going to give you the exact information that you need. So when you go into your Zoho CRM in the morning, you have to ask yourself, what exactly do you want to be seeing in your own page? So do you want to be seeing the deals that need your attention? Do you want to be seeing the leads you've contacted recently? Do you want to be seeing the tags and the follow-ups that are due? Or do you even want to see if you are hitting your sales targets? You can actually set that up with your own page. The first thing you want to do is you want to go into the straight dots here, this menu, and you can add components to this home page, or you can view in full screen. So when you view in full screen, it is going to take off everything about Zoho, and you can be able to see your dashboard or your home page in the full view. So you click on escape to go back, and you can also click on this menu here. You can click on this menu here, and you can see we have the classic view, which is another home page, which is one of the home pages we have. We have the Emma Glory's home, we have the manager home, and we can also customize this home page if we want. So for us to be able to customize this home page, when we click on customize, it is going to take us to this page where we can be able to create a new home page, and we can also customize the home page that we already have. So to add a new home page, you have to click on add new, and when you click on this, it will take you to this page where you can be able to add a new home page. So from here, you can choose whatever dashboard you want to add into this page. You can decide if you want to choose the lead analytics, and you can also decide which components you want to add into this home page. So you can decide to see today's leads if you want. You can decide to see your top 10 lead source. You can decide to see the junk leads that are coming in. You can also decide to see the leads that are coming in by industry, and you can select whatever you want. You can also click on another dashboard, and you can add widgets from that dashboard. You can see the deals in your pipeline, you can see the deals that are created, you can see the revenue lost, and you can also see your deals by stages. You can also select custom view if you do not want to use dashboard. So that means you can be able to select your widgets based on the custom view you have in your Zoho CRM account. So you can pick custom views based on leads, based on contact, based on accounts, or even tags, and all of this model. You can even pick based on the custom model you have created. For example, if you want to check for custom view based on the leads, when you click on the leads, you can see all of the ones you've created, and you can see all of the public views that have been created by Zoho CRM itself. So you can pick whichever one you want, just add them to your widget. You can rearrange them if you want. If you want this up, you can just drag and drop this wherever you want this. If you want to also edit this, you can click on edit, and you can be able to edit this particular widget. So you can change this. You can also create another custom view to replace this if you want. And when you do that, you can click on save, and when you click on save, that is going to change the particular widget we just added. So that is how to add from your custom view. You can also pick whichever custom view you want to add. Like I said, if you want to use contact, you can also pick contact and see all of the custom view in your contact. Just select whichever one you want, and you are good to go. So you can also delete whatever you do not want, and when you are done, you click on save and share. So you can decide that you want to name this a particular name. So you can create a custom you can create an home page. You can create an home page for task. You can create an home page for contact. You can create an home page for deals. So all you need to do is just decide what you want, and you can be able to tailor this home page to what you want. So we can name this whatever you want, and when you name this, you can also add in a description, and you can decide who you want to share this dashboard with. So you can decide that you only want to share with your CEO or you want to share with the manager. That is if you are using roles. You can also decide to use profile, and you can say all the admins can see this, and everyone with the standard accounts also can see this. So when you add in all of the roles and the profiles you want to be able to see this on page, then you click on save, and when you click on save, you can be able to share with them now. So you when you click on save, that has been done. So that is how to create a new home page. So if you go back to your home page here, you should be able to see the new home page we just created in our dashboard under this place. So as you can see, this is the new home page we just created, and you can also decide to edit this home page even from here. So if you want to edit the whole of this home page without going to the settings, all you need to do is to click on these three dots here, and you can add components. So when you click on add components, you can be able to delete, you can be able to edit, you can be able to drag and drop this dashboard however you want. So like I also said, you can also select from dashboards that you have already, and you can also select from custom views that you have already. So the amazing thing about this is that you can be able to create different dashboards based on different custom module. You can create dashboards for leads separately, for tasks, especially if you want to see the tags that you have. So you can create for tasks also if you want to see the tags that you have, like all the tasks you need to do, or the ones you need to do your next 7 days, or the overdue ones. You can be able to drag and drop all of this here. So when you click on the ones you want to add, you can arrange it however you want. So when you're done, you click on save, and when you click on save, that has been saved. So that is it for dashboard, and I will advise that you only keep the widgets you want to use. It is going to be overwhelming when you start adding the widgets you do not need, and it is going to be kind of clumsy. So you want to make sure that you only need to put in those things you want to see daily, or those things you need to track every time or every day. You just need to put them in on this home page. So that is how to customize your Zoho CRM home page, and actually it is very simple to set up, and you will also notice that Zoho CRM is going to become a bit easier when you set up this home page. If you are using Zoho CRM and it still feels overwhelming, there are some parts you do not understand, there are some challenges you are facing, or there are some problems you are trying to overcome in your Zoho CRM account, you can book a free discovery call in the link in the description below, and we are going to help you look at everything you are having issues with, or every challenges you are facing in your Zoho CRM account, and we are going to help you solve every one of them. And also remember that we only have 10 slots per month for our discovery call, for the free discovery call. So book yours before it runs out, and also do not forget to like this video, and also share this video to every Zoho CRM users you have out there, and also subscribe to this channel, because that will go a long way to helping this channel. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.